Go.
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 I went to the store yesterday.
I went to the store yesterday.
I went to the store yesterday.
The verb went is in the simple past tense. It describes an action that happened and was completed at a specific point in the past yesterday. It's a finished event. I go to the gym every day.
I go to the gym every day.
I go to the gym every day.
The verb go is in the present tense because it indicates a regular action or habit that happens now or routinely every day. It expresses something that occurs regularly in the present. I will go to the party tomorrow.
I will go to the party tomorrow.
I will go to the party tomorrow.
Will go is in the future tense, indicating an action that will take place at a specific time in the future tomorrow. This tense is used for planned or expected events. Talk.
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 We talked for hours last night.
We talked for hours last night.
We talked for hours last night.
The verb talked is in the simple past tense, meaning the action of talking was completed in the past at a specific time last night. It shows the action has finished. They talk every day at lunch.
They talk every day at lunch.
They talk every day at lunch.
The verb talk in the present tense describes a regular action that happens every day. It refers to a habitual activity. I will talk to him tomorrow.
I will talk to him tomorrow.
I will talk to him tomorrow.
The verb will talk in the future tense shows a planned action that will happen at a specific time in the future tomorrow. Walk.
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 She walked to school this morning.
She walked to school this morning.
She walked to school this morning.
The verb walked is in the simple past tense. It describes an action that was completed at a certain point in the past, this morning, and the event is finished. I walk to work every day.
I walk to work every day.
I walk to work every day.
The verb walk in the present tense refers to a habit or routine action. It happens regularly, indicating it is a part of daily life. They will walk to the park next weekend.
They will walk to the park next weekend.
They will walk to the park next weekend.
The verb will walk in the future tense indicates an action that will take place in the future next weekend. This could be a planned or predicted event. Eat.
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 I ate lunch an hour ago.
I ate lunch an hour ago.
I ate lunch an hour ago.
The verb ate is in the past tense, indicating the action was completed at a specific time in the past, an hour ago. It's a finished event. She eats dinner at 7 p.m. every night.
She eats dinner at 7 p.m. every night.
She eats dinner at p.m. every night.
The verb eats in the present tense expresses a habit or routine that occurs regularly every night. It shows a repeated action. We will eat at the new restaurant tomorrow.
We will eat at the new restaurant tomorrow.
We will eat at the new restaurant tomorrow.
The verb will eat in the future tense refers to a planned or expected action tomorrow. It shows something that will happen later. Read.
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 I read that book last week.
I read that book last week.
I read that book last week.
The verb read, pronounced read, is in the simple past tense and indicates the action of reading was completed at a specific time in the past last week. She reads a lot of books.
She reads a lot of books.
She reads a lot of books.
The verb reads in the present tense shows a regular or habitual action in the present. It's describing something she does frequently. I will read that new book next month.
I will read that new book next month.
I will read that new book next month.
The verb will read in the future tense refers to an action that will occur at a specific time in the future next month. Write.
Right.
Right.
He wrote a letter yesterday.
He wrote a letter yesterday.
He wrote a letter yesterday.
The verb wrote is in the simple past tense, describing an action completed in the past yesterday. I write emails every morning.
I write emails every morning.
I write emails every morning.
The verb write in the present tense describes a regular activity or habit that happens consistently every morning. She will write a report tomorrow.
She will write a report tomorrow.
She will write a report tomorrow.
The verb will write in the future tense expresses a planned or expected action tomorrow. Drive.
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 They drove to the beach last weekend.
They drove to the beach last weekend.
They drove to the beach last weekend.
The verb rode is in the simple past tense, describing an action completed in the past yesterday. I drive to work every day.
I drive to work every day.
I drive to work every day.
The verb drive in the present tense refers to an action that is part of a regular routine every day. I will drive to the store later.
I will drive to the store later.
I will drive to the store later.
The verb will drive in the future tense shows an action that will take place at a future time later. Play.
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 We played soccer yesterday.
We played soccer yesterday.
We played soccer yesterday.
The verb played is in the past tense, showing that the action of playing soccer happened and was finished in the past yesterday. They play tennis every weekend.
They play tennis every weekend.
They play tennis every weekend.
The verb play in the present tense shows a regular, habitual activity that takes place every weekend. I will play the piano at the concert next month.
I will play the piano at the concert next month.
I will play the piano at the concert next month.
The verb will play in the future tense indicates a planned action that will happen in the future next month.